Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install these update, that is KB5089573 or KB5092427 because of these error codes. So if you're receiving these error codes, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to type in PowerShell in Windows search box. Make a right click on Windows PowerShell. Make sure that you run PowerShell as an administrator only. Click on yes to allow. Now copy all these commands one by one. All these commands are provided in the video description. Paste it over here, hit the enter key. This will stop Windows Update services. Once done, you can run the second command. This will rename software distribution folder. Once done, now run the third command. Paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. This will restart Windows Update service, and then you can run the last command, which will make a new software distribution folder. Once this is done, restart your computer, and after the system restart, you can update your Windows 11 and then check. Still not working, type in services in Windows search box. Click on services, find app readiness, make a double click on app readiness, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK. Make a right click on app readiness, click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then make a right click, click on restart. Now find Windows Update service. Somewhere at the bottom you will find Windows Update. Scroll down, make a double click on Windows Update, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK, make a right click on Windows Update, then click on restart. Now once this is done, now you can go back to Windows Update. Now over here you can click on, if you see retry option, hit retry, try to install the update again and then check. Still not working, go to Windows Update, and then over here you can see pause update option, hit pause. Once the update is paused, now you can click on resume updates and let the update install and then check. Still not working, you can run these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in CMD in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator. Click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command, paste it, hit the enter key. Once done, this process will take some time. It will run a scan. Once the scan is 100% complete, paste the second command, hit the enter key. Once the second scan is 100% complete, then copy the third command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the third scan is 100% complete, restart your PC, and after the system restart, you can check. Still not working, use Microsoft Update Catalog. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. The link is provided in the video description. Over here, you can write down the name of the update, that is KB5089573 or the other update, and then click on search. Now check your Windows version first, so type in WINVER in Windows search box, click on WinVer run command and check your version. In my case it's version 25H2, and then check your system type. So you can go to system and then scroll down, go to about option, check your system type. For me it's 64-bit operating system, so for me it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 base system. If you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one for you. For me this is the right one. Click on download and then click on KB5089573 and let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file and you can install this update manually, restart your PC and then check. Still not working. The next step is to open Windows settings, go to Windows Update and then go to advanced option, scroll down, go to recovery option. Here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time, and once this is done, restart your computer and then you can update your Windows 11. Now the last step is to use media creation tool. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down, here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now and then you can run the exe file, and then Click on accept over here. By default, Windows 11 will be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file over here and then click on next. You can save it to desktop. Click on save. Let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, click on finish. Let this close automatically. It will take a couple of seconds or maybe a minute to close. Once closed, go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept. Now over here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app will be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked. Hit install. After the installation, log into the computer and then you can update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install these updates successfully. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.